Do you know how to use the present continuous tense of English? ئایا ئەزانی چۆن ئێستای باردەوامی بەکار دەهێنیت بە پێی ڕێزمانی ئینگلیزی؟ This is a grammar tense that you don't have directly in the Kurdish language. But don't worry, خەمت نەبێ. Today I'm going to explain the present continuous tense for you, using the most common verb in the English language, the verb to be. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening at the moment of speaking or around the present time. ئێستا باردەوامی بەکارهێنین بۆ باسکردنی کردار کە لە کاتی قسەکردندا ڕوئەدات یان کردارێک کە لە دەوروبەری ئێستادا ڕوئەدات. It gives a feeling of now or لەم خولەکە to your sentences, and it helps us understand that an action is still happening. کە کردارەکە تەواو نەبوو و باردەوامە. For example, the sentence, "The donkey is reading a book," is in the present continuous tense. To use this tense, we use the present forms of to be as our helping verb. Let's review the conjugation of to be in the present tense. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you all are, they are. Now, to form sentences in the present continuous tense, follow this pattern. Subject plus to be, present conjugation, plus verb ing. For example, I am learning. I is your subject. Am is your to be verb in its present conjugation. Learning is your verb plus ing. I am learning. Here are some more examples. You are studying. She is drinking water. We are watching a movie. You all are being serious. They are playing football. Now, let's explore how to use the present continuous tense in various situations. 1. Actions happening now. For example, I am eating dolma. 2. Temporary actions. For example, she is working on a project this week. 3. Future arrangements. For example, we are meeting at Parki Peshmerga tomorrow. 4. Annoyances. For example, he is always interrupting my afternoon nap. And 5. Comparing the past to the present. For example, they are feeling much happier now. Time to practice. I'll give you a sentence and you complete it using the present continuous tense. Ready? Amadate? Here we go. They blank football in the park. Good. They are playing football in the park. Next, I blank chai at Saholika. Good. I am drinking chai at Saholika. Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes. 1. Don't forget the ing. She is cook should be she is cooking. 2. Avoid using the present continuous for permanent situations. Bo barudochek ka chaspawa yan jegire. He is having a dog should be he has a dog. For permanent situations like this, just use the present simple tense. Wastay Barez, I hope that you are enjoying learning about the present continuous tense. If you are, then please like and subscribe. Agar am wanaya khosh bu bet boto, tikaya panjabane ba dukme like u subscribe. Dasta khaned khosh bet, wasta Barez account. Until tomorrow, hata sabene, khwafis.